Welcome back, everybody. Travis from Arcan Trailer here. Hope you're having a great day. I got an exciting video for you guys here today with a brand new 2023 Winnebago Hike 100 series. This is the 1316 TB. This model comes in about 15 feet 8 inches for the overall length. Only about 3,200 pounds dry, going to make it a great fit for most mid to larger SUVs and most pickup trucks out there today. We got a long list of equipment to go over with this unit, so let's jump right into it. The Hike 100 series is going to be designed more as an off-grid, off-road style camper, and we got some equipment to support that. Now, starting right up front, however, we're going to have the power tongue jack, of course, 120-pound propane bottle, and the next thing you'll see is this kind of exoskeleton frame going around the edge of the unit here. That's going to provide you some protection against any branches or trees or anything like that if you're going down some tighter trails. You can also use it for tie down or securement points for tarps or anything while you're out set up, or maybe a kayak up on the roof when you're headed out. It is fully attached right to the frame, so if you ever happen to need to get up and adjust something, maybe attach something, you can just climb right up on that frame and use it to get around or get up on the unit. As we're making our way down, we'll have a power awning giving you some good coverage right to the back wall here, and your friction hinge style doorway. Just your standard aluminum step there. And then looking at the axle tire area, we have a 16-inch aluminum wheel with a Goodyear Duratrack tire. Something that's going to get you some good life out of the unit, especially when you're going down those rougher roads. And then you can see in behind here we have a BAL or BAL independent suspension system. So we're going to have the big shocks in there. It's going to give you an exceptional ride quality over your traditional straight axle. A couple other great points to mention on the exterior with the Winnebago Hike series is we do have Azdel sidewalls all around. Azdel is a composite material that bonds to the fiberglass. It's mold and mildew resistant and water resistant, also a little bit lighter weight than its counterpart called Luan. So with the Winnebago Hikes, we've got no expense shorted here. We're going to find the best of the best. Lastly, another feature on the exterior is we do have a 190-watt solar panel up on the roof. So when you are going out doing some dry camping, that's just going to help keep those batteries topped up and keep you going. Now, as we're making our way inside, the first thing that we're going to come across is going to be our refrigerator here, just below the microwave. And then in between the fridge and the microwave, you do get this countertop pull-out or extension here. Actually gives you a bit of functional counter space to work with, as we do have limited access to that in a shorter floor plan. Microwave, of course, a little bit of storage above, and then we're going to have our main control panel with awnings, lights, tanks, levels, so on and so forth. Great mention there is we do have tank heaters. So the Winnebago Hikes will have heated tanks just to help you go into that extended season, spring through fall, just give you some peace of mind. Beside the refrigerator microwave area, we have our kind of vanity kitchen sink area with a single basin stainless steel sink. We've got the high-rise faucet, and there is a wireless charger built in beside that as well. We'll have a fair-sized storage compartment below and just a shelf above that. Now behind this door here, we have the wet bath. So we're going to have our toilet set up there on the far side. A couple shelves that are removable, so when you're having a shower in there, pop those out, give yourself the extra space. And then of course our shower fixture just along the opposite wall there. Now over my left shoulder is going to be a big pantry or coat closet, whichever you prefer. The unit does come with an induction cooktop from Suburban as well. You can plug that in inside or out, whichever is going to be best for you, but that is going to be included. And then we do have the hanging rod in here for coats, sweatshirts, any of that kind of stuff, but you could customize that, get some shelves from parts department or wherever else you may need, and utilize that what's going to be best for you. Just below we've got the furnace outlet and converter panel, and then of course we're going to have a couple bunks and our dinette here towards the rear. So we're going to have a flip over bench along the campsite here, so you are able to turn this bunk and sofa into a big queen bunk across the bottom, and of course you'll keep this bunk on the far side here as well. That is going to be a flip up bunk, and there is going to be a security latch just along the far side. Unfortunately I can't reach that here to show you, but it's easy enough to get that secured and give you some added space back here. With that, that's going to wrap up our tour of the 2023 Hike 1316 TB. Once again, my name's Travis from Arcan Trailer. Appreciate you guys stopping by. We'll see you real soon.